the channel for all your pops. Hey guys, today the pop we are going to be unboxing is Miguel from Disney Coco, number 303. First, let's look at the box. Funko have gone for a nice black design with guitars and skulls. As we go to the back, they have gone for a red and yellow design, and you can also see the 3 other characters from the collection. Right, let's open the box. As we pull him out, you can see the stamp on the bottom of his foot. Funko have put him in brown shoes, blue jeans that are rolled up at the bottom, and a red hoodie with white stripes on the sleeves, and the zip is very detailed. As we get to the head, it is movable. All around the back of the hoodie is smooth. They have gone for a Day of the Dead face paint. His nose sticks out a little. He has white eyes, and his hair is sculpted really nice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.